Hatu pila mubanin yang tang SHISUR banyo ya pi hajing im bai ngamla modern hatu pila mubanin yang abait tang SHISUR ya pi banyo hajing im bain ngamla mundur yang api ai ka jing ngan jing sung si.
Yo, hello guys, Meghalaya, Shillong, welcome back everyone. And today I brought new friend from Nigeria. Welcome, brother.
Welcome. Thank you very much. I am Don and I'm also David. So together,
Yes,
so
you can call him Don or David, guys. So it's a Nigerian friend, and it's gonna be his first time checking WANJOP. So I want you to watch carefully WANJOP, his voice. This song is by him only. He is the one who sang the song. So read his song, the talent, and everything regarding the video. So yeah, don't forget also just subscribe, guys. Show him some love. It's his first time, and let's hear from him. He loves music also, and don't forget Nigerians. They are the only #1 African countries that produce like the baddest song, guys.
we are the giants of Africa.
They are the giant of Africa when it comes to music. Like you know,
Burna Boy,
Burna Boy.
Davido.
I think there is one song that was trending in India called "Baby Calm
Calm
Down."
Down.
That is from their country, also from Nigeria only, guys. So let's check it, and don't forget subscribe. Let's
Hit
start.
that subscribe
It,
button.
guys.
Make
Tell us
sure
what does it mean by SHISUR. SHISUR.
Write it in the comment
That is the
section
song title, WANJOP
SHISUR.
and KYNNPHAM production. SHISUR. Tell us what does it mean. Don't forget subscribe, put on the bell so that you get notification of every video of ours. Let's go. SHISUR. SHISUR. It's like she and
there.
sur.
It's giving a vibe of
Marlocal. That is their music
production.
Marlocal.
You know what?
Hatu pila mubanin
Young boys.
yang tang SHISUR
You know,
banyo ya pi
from Northeast, I mean this is
hajing im
the first biggest
ngamla
when it comes to music. They love music so much.
hatu pila
It's the one. This is one
mubanin yang abait tang SHISUR ya pi banyo hajing im bain ngamla mundur yang api ai ka jing ngan jing sung si.
You see?
He said, guys, he's getting emotional. Why? Because of this
It
the
makes
sound,
me-
right?
The sound is making me to remember my ex. No, that thing is crazy, man.
For real, man. What I love the most, this guy, like, he sounds so good, man. Like this guy, I think listening to WANJOP is like you should listen to this guy when you are heartbroken. His sound only will heal you, man.
Yeah.
Just see it, the way he's singing, expressing. Actually, guys, there is no subtitle. We are not understanding anything, but
But it's giving.
we can feel it. We can feel the song, right?
I'm a man, I can't cry.
We can't cry for that, but we love the sound. Let's check more, man.
Ka kun shadam ya pi bandu na jingim kanong ngada shabdim hanga pilang kumau kordon ngayai don kam it barabor na ublay ngapan bagyay
That only good.
duway pinlong jonga
Play only good. That make it true.
Adil shibun ki daw ya pi banganin nabden jong ki babun tang ya pi ngajin lawi ka bala shay
Only God knows how much I love you.
jingim badung
Yeah, just
jonga
listen.
pi wan ra jing shay hatu vila mo ban
the way I love you
yang abait tang SHISUR yap thi ban yo ha ji him ba in ngam la mundur hatola pi mawi man nanga ta SHISUR nanga ta Shillong ben ba da jing it ban la no quack ser no qua nu em cam ki pai la ki ma ko do hanga nu shong do hanga em cam de tam ka akor ya the nanga ha de kan no la pin it nanga tang SHISUR nu qua kadur nu qua kasur qua jing it ba SHISUR jing it ba SHISUR kuba watch ngai na nga sha wei wa thaba haki rong prathai wa tare roma kuba hakka ta prathai tang ma phi marwai nu kwa ya nu jorna phi ariwai katim ban yo i babu diangang dei tang ma phi la phi dom bin ne dai ni ngaken jaya phi man kasngi nakala shai nu la malpa tang ba kermen yai sa phi en nga ngan long jong phi ba phi jong jing it kan ne baro shirta hatu phila mu ban yang tang SHISUR ban yo ya phi ha jing
This can be what
ba ngam la mudur.
After listening to such music, you just go to your Spotify playlist and just add it. Then
yeah, just
it's giving out vibe.
yeah, it's good vibe. I think this is the producer.
If the young boy is the producer.
Yeah, this is the producer, man. I think so. Good music,
Yeah.
good beat, good vibe. Though we don't understand, there is no subtitle, right?
Yeah.
Please, Wanjop, all the team, my local guys. I'm requesting the team, guys. If there is any big song you guys really like, if you have any big project, just at least provide the English subtitle, guys. You guys are no longer local. You guys are global, man.
You are now
I'm telling
international.
You're international, man.
I'm
Just
thinking
provide
about-
the English subtitle
I'm thinking of
for
adding
big
this song
music, not for a
in
small
my
one. Okay?
playlist. I'm
Yeah.
thinking about adding it
Because
to my playlist.
like this kind of song, man, this
Is-
song is really so touching. Like I can just express, though there is no subtitle, I can guess it like it's kind of a love song, touching someone expressing his feeling.
Mm.
So such song can be international, man. You know, love is something not universal.
Yeah, love is there's no word without love. So
Yeah, there
we
is.
are product of love.
Yeah.
So actually, the music was good. It was giving the vibe, the correct vibe. It was giving that energy. There was so much intensity and vulnerability because when you talk about love and you are not vulnerable, then you are not in love. That's
Yeah.
why people say love is blind. So
Yeah.
I feel like I need to listen to these guys more, and
Yeah, yeah.
both of them were killing it.
Yeah,
There's
they have a lot of good music outside. Now those actually when I started reacting to them, I started with the biggest one,
Yeah.
latest music. Now I'm checking the one that is they started with it.
So the first singer, he sang like a song I listened before, American song like
Oh, that
Pink
guy? You
Sweat.
mean that guy?
Yeah, the
KONGTHEI.
yeah,
The
the
first
first guy.
singer was. You mean the guy who was singing inside the room?
not like the first singer, the
Wanjop?
one that was yeah.
Yeah.
that
The
one.
main singer
main
is
singer.
Wanjop. Yeah.
Yeah. He sang like one of my best of all time by Pink Sweat. I need somebody. I think you know the song. By an black American singer. He was giving.
And
me-
which one you said he has the Ghanaian vibe?
the other guy,
other guy, right?
I don't. Is it Kaipam?
KYNPHAM.
Yeah. It was
It's
giving
Kainpam,
me
yeah,
kiddie
Kainpam.
Ghanaian vibe. Yeah.
Yeah.
This guy Kiddie, his movie was the best for me in 2019 called Sugar. So
Okay.
he gave me
He
that.
has that similarity, that
he
feeling
made
of
me
listening
remember-
to Ghanaian
Yeah,
song.
he made me remember Ghanaians.
Oh,
It was
So,
wonderful.
That is it. That is it, guys. So thank you so much, and we love the song, guys. Yeah, all the best, Mar local.
Hit that bell. Make sure you hit that bell.
Hit that bell if you
And
love
subscribe.
Wanjop. If you love Wanba, guys, subscribe to this channel and love
We
from
love you.
Africa.
All up from Africa.